Hi everyone! Out of 7 regions in Turkey, the Aegean region is the best place for vegetarians and beach lovers to visit. Now on this episode of Delicious Türkiye, I'm cooking one of my favorite Turkish dishes, stuffed artichoke. Before we start on the recipe, let's talk about the region. People in this region of Turkey love their veggies. They even have a festival for artichokes. Don't make a mistake to think Turkish cuisine is only kebab and baklava. It's great for vegetarians and it's great for meat lovers and fish lovers. Seafood, olive oil, fresh veggies and herbs, and of course family and friends, and especially in this region. Amazing coastline, beaches and breathtaking small towns that you want to live in forever. The Turkish Riviera is where all the jet setters sail in the summer. Turkey is one of the top countries with the most blue-flagged beaches in the world. That means the beaches in Turkey are extremely clean. And what does that mean? The seafood is amazing. When it comes to growing olives, the Aegean region is king. The climate is ideal for the best quality olive oil. The Aegean region is one of the most beautiful ones in Turkey. It's really well known for great food, great vegetable, it wines, but also its amazing beaches. Now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite vegetables, which is the artichoke. Naturally, in Turkey, they stuff it with rice and spices and everything. Eat it as an appetizer, or if you have a mezze plate. Artichokes are so tasty, one of my favorite vegetables. Let me show you how we do them. We cut off the stem. All right, and then cut off the top, about that much. Need a good serrated knife and you are good. Then we remove the outer leaves. Now you can use large globe artichokes, you can use the smaller violet ones, whatever you get in season. So now I'm gonna use the serrated knife and just gonna cut off the thing. So you have to be really careful. So we just take out all the inside. You know, this is not edible, so we don't wanna have that in our artichoke yet. The leaves are delicious, especially this part here. So we want to keep them on and take out the inside, all right? So now what we're going to do is put lemon on it so that way they don't discolor. And then we're going to boil them or steam them. I have a little rack in my pot with some water. Okay, we're gonna just turn them upside down. And I'm gonna cover them. Our artichokes are steaming here, as you can see. And now we're gonna make the rice. Okay, can add olive oil to our pan here. Turkish olive oil is so amazing. You know, we don't see it that much, but it is the best quality. I love it. It's fruity, it's a little peppery. You can get it from different regions. It has a different flavor. So try to find it. It is really delicious. Now let's make the rice for the stuffing of our artichoke. We have some onions, a little bit of garlic, some dried mint, and a little cumin. I love to saute my spices so that way the aroma comes out much better. So it's always good when you cook at home to saute them a little bit. All right, now we're gonna add our rice. I rinsed the rice before. And for more flavor, you can use chicken stock, beef stock, or vegetable stock, or just plain water is okay too. Naturally, we don't forget salt and pepper. And we're gonna use a little paprika in here too. Some crushed peppers. Ooh, spicy. I like my food spicy, so. It's like the Turkish girls, spicy. I add some red peppers because I like it spicy. Cumin, paprika, turmeric, you name it, they use it. And now we're gonna put the rice in the oven. The artichokes are ready now. They are nice and tender, so you try them with a little knife. If the knife goes in really easy, it means they're cooked. All right, let's take them out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the refrigerator so it cools down faster. The rice is done. Let's finish it with some fresh herbs. Some chopped parsley. And some scallions, some green onions. Okay. All right. And now we're gonna stuff our artichokes. Have them right here. Okay, I prepared another pan here. Gonna add olive oil. And a little touch of water. Now that the artichokes are cool, now we're gonna drizzle them with a little olive oil. Okay. And I love a little extra pepper. Okay, we're gonna bring the artichokes to a boil, and then we're gonna bake them in the oven with the rice, so until the rice is tender and the leaves are. This is gonna be a perfect appetizer, or even a lunch dish. So you can get them in Izmir, in any of the small towns there, you can get this amazing artichoke. We bring the artichoke to a boil with a little olive oil and a little water, and then we put them in the oven and bake them for about 25-30 minutes, okay? All right, here we go. All right, our stuffed artichokes are done. Let's take them out of the oven. Smells amazing. All right, now we're gonna present it really beautifully. We also have some amazing tomatoes. They are really wine-ripe tomatoes, so they taste like tomatoes and are delicious. A few yellow ones, a few red ones, green ones, whatever color you like. Okay. Okay, we have some extra. We put it on the bottom. Now we're gonna drizzle a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper, a few parsley leaves in here. Now with a spoon, we're gonna take out our artichoke. Put it right in the center here. Artichoke and dill go really well together, so we can just put a little dill sprig right into our artichoke. So look at that, how beautiful, simple, and delicious. And here's our beautiful stuffed artichoke. You can have it for lunch or as an appetizer for dinner. Auf Wiedersehen. Please watch the other episodes of Delicious Türkiye and do not forget to subscribe to Go Türkiye YouTube account and follow it on social media.